Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use shortcoder plugin. This plugin allow you to create a shortcode for any HTML, JavaScript or other snippet. Suppose you want to use some HTML snippet or code in many posts and pages, but you don't want to use these in the entire website. So in that case, you can create a shortcode for this. I'm demonstrating this. Suppose you have an HTML code like this and you want to use a shortcode for this. So go to the plugin section and search for shortcoder, and you'll see an icon like this. I have already installed this, so I'm activating now. Now it will add a new menu item like shortcoder. Go to that section and create a new shortcode. Say you are going to create a shortcode for signature 1. So it is like a post, so copy that code snippet and paste it here and publish this. You can also add a tag for this, like if you are adding 100 of shortcode, in that case you can add a tag. You can also add some description because it is almost like a post. So when you see this shortcode, it has created a shortcode like this. You don't need to copy this. You can go to any page or create a new page, say new page, and you type your content, whatever. Here you will see a new block as shortcoder. Click the shortcoder. Now you can select these shortcode that you created. Select it, insert the shortcode, and then publish. So when you publish this page, view this page, you can see that HTML, this particular HTML is coming through this shortcode. This is how you can create shortcode for anything using this plugin. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next episode.